All our hot sauces are gonna have a lot of flavor.
Okay.
Do you like garlic?
Yeah.
Okay. Try this, see if you think. It's made with garlic, brown sugar, lemon juice,
Okay.
habanero, cayenne, and ghost pepper.
Oh wow.
And it's by far our best seller. So there's
Okay.
spoons here for you if you want to taste it. Oh yeah, it's this one I'm talking about. There you go.
Okay.
So that's our Tricentennial hot sauce we came out with in January. New Orleans is now 300 years old. And it's part of our New Orleans collection, which are these
Okay.
15 right here. You can only get in the Pepper Palace of New Orleans.
Y'all only sell in store or do y'all have online?
We do have a website.
Okay.
But these are gonna. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure all these are only available in the shop, not online. Especially that one.
That's really good.
Right? Makes really good buffalo sauce. Now, do you want to go into our extreme heat?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got two options. You've got lethal dose, which is around 4 million Scoville units.
You gotta sign a waiver for
Yep.
this or something?
And then we've got the hottest on the market, which is the end, and that is in the neighborhood of 6 million Scoville units.
Oh my god.
Both of them, we just have you sign the waiver first.
So what's the effect usually?
Well, they're a little different. Lethal dose has more of an immediate explosion of heat right away.
Okay.
And it's got more ingredients in it, so it's the peppers in it are Reaper, Scorpion, Habanero, and Ghost. And the oleo resin capsicum, which is the main ingredient in pepper spray. So a lot of heat right away.
Okay.
We're all here if you want to try it. Just have more if you don't think this is not enough. You can have less.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Especially if you're going to do the next one. It's different.
It's not too bad. It's gonna come back. I know it's coming.
Feel it? Yeah. Grows a little bit. You want to go right into the other one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, so this is the end. And this one is mostly Carolina Reaper extract and habanero. And that one's in the neighborhood of 6 million Scovilles. So that's perfect.
Okay, I can feel this kind of working. Just feels like Thailand all over.
Nice.
But the thing is, I didn't eat a whole plate of rice. You know, it was just like one little drop.
Yeah, so just go straight to the tongue with that one.
Yeah. So this one.
And that one's got more of a delayed fuse. So it does get a little stronger, but you get a sticker for your bravery.
There's a stronger one.
I mean, that one, it grows.
That's the end? Okay.
Yeah, and it starts to get a little bit hotter. So, numbers correlate to the heat level. 10s are the hottest, 2s are the mildest. This is the one they started with. It's our Tricentennial. It's 8. And it's garlic and brown sugar, lemon juice, habanero, cayenne, ghost pepper.
Which one?
That's our new limited edition Tricentennial hot sauce we came out with in January. Sold over 3,000 bottles of that since then. People love it. So that's a tomato-based ghost pepper hot sauce with a nice citrus notes.
I'll definitely say it makes you tear up. That's the only thing, but that's out of my control.
But not this
Vegetarian, that's why.
Okay. This one is
Pescatarian.
going to be, these two are both scorpion pepper, definitely more garlic forward. That one's got cumin and turmeric and mustard seed and garlic in it. Yeah, gorilla pod.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, come on, you can handle this. It's really not that bad.
You have
Was
water
it-
here, right?
Yep, we just have water right there. It's not spicy water.
You can easily get to these. Even these, you've handled it. I know.
Sorry. Like
Yeah, so you tried the scorpion,
How
and
is
then
this compared to?
if these are 10s, this is like a 40.
Oh my god.
Try it. A small little speck. You can do it. I mean, look at me. I haven't
you
had
want a
any
sticker?
water.
Want a
Any
sticker?
water.
Kind of.
Yeah, don't you want a sticker? Come on.
You live only once.
Do it for the YouTube fans.
Yeah, so
Do it
this
for
is
your
the
children and
ingredients.
grandchildren.
Here it says how hot it is. It's like 60,000 times hotter than a bell pepper, or 1.2 times hotter than military grade pepper spray.
Then I would have to sign them.
Yep, you just sign the
not bad.
disclaimer. It's really make sure you know what you're getting yourself into.
Okay, I will try it. But I think I will need a water too.
That's fine. So there's a pen for you. Sign the date.
Here, give me your spoon. You from Philly?
Danny McBride. Like Kenny Powers, me pounding down. Yeah, it's funny. Okay, so gonna grab yourself a spoon there. You let you dose yourself. You want to be careful not to get it on your fingers.
Just a really small drop. That's all you
Little
gotta
tiny
do.
drop. You all doing the 5-5? Yep. All right, I'll take care of you 1 second.
It's not much.
You can always have more. You just can't
Yeah,
have enough.
that's true.
Here's your sticker for your bravery. Yeah, you just try the hot sauce on the market.
And then you
It
gotta
just took like almost nothing. It's burning.
try the next one. It's not
my
that much
god.
different. It's
Oh
not,
my god, no. No, that's enough.
It's not that bad.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I need water.
How are we doing? Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm getting really hot now.
Northern
Oh my god.
Evanston, Illinois.
Yeah, I wouldn't say.
You filming all of this now?
What did you think? It's okay to cry.
I
Did
need
good.
water.
Yes, found it.
It
Just try
doesn't
to-
stop. It doesn't
Just,
stop though.
just hold on to it. It'll, what did you think? Was it good? Like the taste?
Yes, but not now. It's like burning everything. My whole throat is like burning.
Really? Maybe I didn't keep it in my throat long. I don't know.
Can you get me water, please? Please.
Alright, so we're back out on the streets. It was really hot today. Not because of the chili peppers, but it was just really hot.
It's like 100 degrees.
Wearing my sticker. That's for getting the doing the challenge for the what was it called? Anyways, we'll link it. We'll link the hot sauce name in the bottom or on the video.